Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you another product from ClickBank which you can promote using Microsoft Bing ads in a very effective way and efficient cost. Okay, so it's cost effective, it's not that expensive. You don't need to have a huge budget in order to start promoting this product. If you have a minimum or a limited amount of budget like me, then you can get started using this approach. Okay, so here in affiliate marketplace on ClickBank, so you just find this product. Master Wong draws your soulmate sketch. So basically it's a digital product that allows people to make requests on to find their soulmate just by using the drawings. Okay, and when you take a look at the gravity score, so it's obviously selling pretty well, 60.74. It's got not so high conversion, 19.79, but I'm going to show you guys how you can promote this in a efficient way where you can get profit even if it's just paying just 19.79. Okay, as long as we will need to get our main goal is how whatever amount we spend, we need to make sure that we are making profit. Okay, so let's take a look at the sales page of this actual product. As you can see, this is a very simple sales page, and then people will come here and then click this if they are interested to get the idea of who their soulmate is. Now we will make our visitor land to this sales page. Okay, but in order to do that, we really need to create an effective landing page. Okay, head over to our favorite tool called thepagepro.com. It will allow you to create multiple landing pages for free, and it's very easy. Less than 5 minutes you'll be able to create a beautiful and simple landing page. So let's sign into our free account. And as you can see, these are all the landing pages I created so far. And if we take a look one example, for example this one here. Okay, so this is how simple your landing page will be look like. Okay, so you have your hop link over here, and you have the basic information here and the product image. And if you want, you can create a simple article, short article, just to make your product more appealing and make people click on your affiliate link. All right, so it's very simple yet effective. In order to create that, you need to sign up for a free account here in thepagepro.com. The link will be in the description below, and the full tutorial of step-by-step how you can create effectively the landing page also in the link below. Okay, so you just need to click this add new landing page. So I won't do it here in this video because I already created a bunch of videos on how you can get started creating landing pages using thepagepro.com. So just head over to my channel and you can find lots of guidelines on how you can get started with the pagepro.com. It's very easy. Less than 5 minutes you will be able to create landing pages like this. So for those new viewer on my channel, so this is how the pagepro.com landing page will look like. It's very simple. You don't need to have a very fancy landing pages. As long as the information, the headline is there and the product image, we just need to make them click our hop link and head over to the actual sales page. All right, and as you can see, the edit page, so you just need to fill up these simple forms over here and click on save, and it will generate these landing pages for you. All right, so let's head over to Microsoft Bing ads in order for me to show you guys the keywords that we're gonna use in order to get lots of visitors in a very efficient way to make them come to this landing page and visit our sales page with our hop link. As you can see, I've been using Microsoft Bing ads quite heavily for the past few months, and if you notice, for 3,000 almost 3,000 clicks, over 3,000 clicks, I just spent 376 because I'm always applying the these things that I'm showing you in this video, that I'm using very cost-effective strategy, selecting low cost per click keywords in order to get lots of visitors and spending not too much on the campaigns. All right, and as you can see, look at this. So this is the potential clicks that you could get if you use some of the keywords that I'm going to show you, and just by having 0.11 cost per click and having $100 budget per day, you can achieve this much visitors. So imagine 700 visitors. I don't think you won't be able to get some sales out of those 700 visitors, even if it's paying just 19 or almost $20 per sale. But out of those 700 visitors, as shown here, the estimated amount of visitors you can get using this budget, I think you can get a fair amount of sale. Okay, Of course, it's not guaranteed that you'll be able to make some sales, but this is just some idea for you guys on how you can get started and the potential amount that you could make if you make this right. All right. Okay, so let's have a look at the keywords that I've used in order to get these impressions and the potential amount of visitors you could actually get when you use these keywords. First thing is, in order to help you gather some keywords, head over to this free tool called keyword2free.com. This link is in the description below, and here in the keyword planner, these are the data that you can get here in keyword2free are the actual search terms that people are using in Bing, in Google, so whatever. So it can help you grab those keywords and make those amount of visitors if you put those keywords in your campaign. So let's type in find your soulmate and then click discover keywords. And as you can see, these are useful keywords that you can get in order to start getting some visitors with your campaign. So just copy some of these keywords that you think might be a selling keywords, like this one, find your soulmate. Find your soulmate sketch. It's very relevant to the product that we are going to promote. Find your soulmate app, another good keyword that you can use in order to get some visitors or some sales potentially using this keyword. Another one, find your soulmate after marriage, finding your soulmate after divorce. So some keywords that you think, it's up to you, it's up to your analysis if you think these are good keywords or not. But if you type in one of these keywords using Microsoft Bing as a keyword planner, you will get all this idea. And of course, in order to get those keywords added to your campaign, you have to carefully select those selling keywords. Okay, and as I showed you earlier, once you selected all those relevant keywords, so make sure you select at least 50 keywords. Okay, so in this example, I selected a lot. Okay, but when you're creating your campaign, you must select all those keywords that you think might be a selling keyword for you guys. Okay, so this is just estimate for you guys, but these are the actual keywords I selected. So as you can see here, in order to meet your in order to have those number of visitors, okay, meet your soulmate, attract your soulmate, and it's just 0.11, and the product 0.11 per click, and the product, it's not too much. Okay, so it's a cheap product that it doesn't cost anyone $100 to purchase the drawings, so you have a pretty good chance of getting conversion, and you get that $19.76 in your ClickBank account. Okay, so again, it's not a guarantee that you can make some sale, but as long as you create a good landing page and select your keywords properly, potentially you will get that amount of visitor that I showed you earlier. Okay, almost 700 visitors. Okay, and again, if you need more help on creating campaigns, so just head over to my channels. I have lots of videos on how you can create campaigns using Microsoft Bing ads, and again, the keywords, I mean the landing page that you will be building, it's all on my channel. So you just select one of the videos there. So I created a bunch of videos from scratch creating the landing pages. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful for you, and if you do, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.